Because you see, resonance frequency here is the oga, like it's the oga, it's the boss. So and bosses need to stand alone because they are the oga, right? Even if you are the boss, we don't like to have some unwanted things around you. No. So now let's do away with the unwanted element. A, we shoot A. Maybe that. C, we shoot C. Maybe that. Now you can see that F R square is now standing alone as the boss. There is one stranger here called square. How do you remove the square? Anybody? By square rooting both sides, because the enemy of square root is what? Square. When they see themselves like this, they shoot themselves and they kill themselves suicide. Then they call it them, they blow themselves up. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to look at resonance frequency. What did I say? Resonance frequency. Now, before we begin, I would like you to know that what I'm about to teach you is very, very simple. What did I say? It is very, very simple. Okay, so this resonance frequency we are talking about, okay, it will only occur when inductive reactance is equal to what? Capacitive reactance. Today we are just going to look at how to derive the formula for resonance frequency. That is, how to move from here to here. Again, how to move from here to here. Alright, let's begin. Recall that the formula for inductive reactance is what? 2 pi Fl. We remember that, Uncle? Yes. We also remember that what? Formula for capacitive reactance is what? 1 over 2 pi Fc. Now, since for resonance frequency to occur, XL must be equal to XC. That is to say, the formula for XL should also be equal to the formula for XC. And that is what brought us to this stage here. You can now see that what? 2 pi F L is equal to what? 1 over 2 pi Fc. Where the F here, you can see I've indicated RR because this F substitute R stands for what? Resonance frequency. So this is the condition for resonance frequency to occur. Our job from here is to make Fr a subject of formula. That is, we want to find the formula for resonance frequency. So let's proceed to this part now. What's the first thing we're going to do? If we must make Fr set of formula, we have to cross multiply. And that is why I've indicated it for you here. Cross multiply. Now, when you cross multiply, remember that this guy here is divided by 1 because there is nothing in the denominator. So we can just dash it for 1. Now, when we cross multiply, 2 will multiply 2 to give us 4. Pi multiply pi to give us a square. Resonance frequency multiply resonance frequency to give us resonance frequency square. L multiply C to give us LC. And then 1 multiply 1 to give us 1. Do we understand? Now let's move to how do we make resonance frequency to stand alone? Because you see, resonance frequency here is the oga, like it's the oga, it's the boss. So and bosses need to stand alone because they are the oga, right? Even if you are the boss, we don't like to have some unwanted things around you. No. So now let's do away with the unwanted elements. How do we do that? By dividing both sides by the unwanted elements. So what are the unwanted elements? 4 pi square LC. You can see now we are dividing both sides by 4 pi square LC, 4 pi square LC. Now, 4 pi will kill 4 pi. Give me that. A, we shoot A. Give me that. C, we shoot C. Give me that. Now, you can see that F R square is now standing alone as the boss. And now, on this other side, we have 1 over 4 pi square LC. Very, very simple. It's like drinking Coca-Cola. I don't know if you like Coca-Cola here. Oh, chill Coca-Cola. Alright, how do we make Fr to stand alone? That's resonance frequency now. How do we make it stand alone? Because it is not standing alone here. There is one stranger here called square. How do we remove the square? Anybody? Anybody? By square rooting both sides, because the enemy of square root is what? Square. When they see themselves like this, they shoot themselves and they kill themselves. Then they come in there, they blow themselves up. So now, square root cancels square. But you see, if you are taking square root of one side, you will still square root of the other side. So what do we do now? We square root both sides, and from there, square root has cancelled square. So we have FR. That's resonance frequency standing alone. Now, if you are square rooting 1/4 pi square LC, for you not to be partial, each of the elements inside the square root must have its own square root. So you can see, so that we will not be partial as we have given everybody their own. 1 is carrying its own square root, 4 is carrying its own square root, pi square is carrying its own square root, and LC is also carrying its own square root. So from there, square root of 1 is what? 1. Square root of 4 is what? 2. Square root of pi square is what? Pi. And square root of LC is? Thank you! Square root of LC is still square root of LC. At the end of the day, we get our formula for resonant frequency, which is what? F equal to 1/2 pi square root of LC. Where L is the what? Inductance, C is the what? Capacitance. Again, L is what? Inductance, C is the what? Capacitance. Now you can see I have moved you from here to here. Do we understand?
Yes.
Do we understand?
Yes.
Thank you.